Hey everyone, we're gonna turn what was a dingy old medical office into the beautiful Japandi office of my dreams. At least we're gonna try. Hey, I'm Nam. I'm a doctor that shares things that I've learned in not only life and business. And today we're in my new office. This office wasn't always super pretty. It was actually really disgusting and super dirty and super old. We've gutted the entire place out. We've turned it completely around, and now it's time for the decor. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now. As you can see, there's a ton of natural light that's coming through. So we want to take advantage of that. The only thing that we have going on is kind of two storage systems, one in the back and one in the front. This is from Ikea, and basically, this is the Besta system. And what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna push the desk to the side instead of being in the middle. And by pushing the desk and this larger storage space to the side, it creates almost its own space back here. But this will be one area, and this will kind of be in its own area, and we'll have some artwork here as well. First thing that we're gonna do, some greenery back in the corner. So we'll put a tall tree here. I think that's pretty good. This is fake, by the way. I never get real plants for office spaces or medical offices. I don't want to have to worry about watering it. I also don't want like fungus gnats to kind of take over the space. I don't think patients would like that very much. The next thing I want to do is we're gonna put in the desk. So like I said, I wanted to push this to the side, and by having this on the side, creates almost like a nook. I think the next thing is let's hang up some pictures. I have 3 of these. These I found at Home. I think At Home has a ton of art. Some are good or some are really bad. I didn't want to do these 2 together because that feels a little bit redundant. So another art piece that I got from At Home is this. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this like clay or something like that. Thinking that this will go back here. Maybe we don't hang this. Next, I want to add some stuff on the back. So what I'm thinking is kind of a black and white theme. On the white side, I do have this vase thing, and this is from Ikea. I think we'll put this here. And then we'll balance it out with maybe a little bit black on this side. So I got this diffuser from my wife from a company called Italic. I'm not sure what it is, but it smells good. So just taking the box, putting it here. I have some succulents. These succulents are real. This is probably gonna be the only real plant that I have in the office. I think that looks pretty good as well. Let's get a chair here. So I have this chair that is kind of bright color. It's like a turquoise. And believe it or not, I got this chair for free on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not sure how I feel about this pop of color. We'll keep it here. We'll keep it there for now. The next thing is I usually have 2 chairs here. Let's try these chairs. These chairs are actually in my waiting room, but we'll try it and see how it looks. I don't know about this. What do you think about these chairs? Let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Anyways, we'll move on. And then this light, I think, is an awesome light. From a design standpoint, it looks amazing. It's obviously cheap because it's from Ikea, but it kind of blends in. Same exact color as the table. It's kind of cool looking. And the last thing I have is I'm a huge fan of design, architecture, and furniture. And I have this book. If y'all don't know, Ray and Charles Eames were designers. They created a lot of amazing furniture. Put that in the corner here. Okay, I'd say that this is a pretty darn good start. I'll keep adding on. I need like, pen holders and pens. I also need to fill out this lower cabinet, but I think this is a really good start. Does this fit the Japandi vibe, or am I totally off base? All right guys, so that's everything that I have for this area. But I have other treatment rooms and the waiting room that I need to take care of. If y'all have any recommendations on what else I should put in this room, please leave a comment and let me know what y'all think. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.